The life cycle of a star. All stars are formed within nebulas, the watercolor artworks of the universe, composed entirely of space dust, hydrogen, helium, and a dash of other gases. This colorful womb of the universe can give birth to either small stars or large stars, both of which have very different lifespans. First, we will look at the pathetic life of the puny small star. When a star with such unfortunate size comes into existence, it only takes a mere 10 billion years for it to run out of hydrogen and start fusing helium, causing it to turn into a red giant. These are the volatile and sometimes scary teenage years of the star as it undergoes a transformation into the larger and better-looking planetary nebula. When the planetary nebula runs out of helium, it will attempt to create carbon, which it hasn't unlocked yet. This causes the gas to spread apart from the star, leaving behind a carbon-dense white dwarf, weak in size and color. The white dwarf will live a long, boring life before retiring to become a full-time brown dwarf, forever wishing it had done something else with the past couple billion years or so. Now, if a nebula gives birth to a large star, things get a little more exciting. It too will eventually run out of hydrogen like its less impressive comrade, causing it to turn into a red supergiant. It's called a supergiant because it's like a regular giant with superpowers. You see, this red supergiant has the ability to make a wide variety of elements, all the way up to iron. When this big red ball of flames and death becomes nothing but a ball of dull iron, gravity will force it to collapse in on itself. This causes massive amounts of pressure that very quickly lead to an explosion. After this explosion, one of two things can happen. It can form an impressively dense neutron star, or it can form the densest object in the entire universe, a black hole, both of which science still understands very little about. And that is the abridged version of the life cycle of a star. Thank you for listening.